Now, this is how you can type on a PDF document on the iPhone. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So let me just open up the Files app and just go to any place where I have the PDF stored. So I'm just going to go in here and let me just find some random PDF. I can even search for it specifically. So let me filter it like this. And let's say I open it up in here. So I have like a sample PDF. And if I want to type on it, we have to open it through the preview app. So as you can see, I have this like quick look when I click on it, but I can click on a preview. So it moves me to the dedicated preview app. And in there, we have some editing tools. So at the bottom, we have the pen tool where you can click on and kind of like start drawing and highlighting on it, or click the plus. And we also have the add a text feature. So let me just quickly delete the drawing. So again, if you have the PDF open into the preview, you can go to the markup and click the plus where you can add a text and a new text field is going to show up. So you can see we can resize it, double click it, and type something in. And all of the things like, the controls are in here. So you can make it thicker, larger, change the font or color, whatever. It's all in here. So that's how you can quickly add a text and write on top of the PDF. As you can see, we also have the pencil, so we can also write with our finger if we really wanted to do it. So that is something which you can definitely do. It's pretty quick to do that through the markup tool, but we can also click on this fill out form tool, which gives us another option. So this pulls up the blue button in the corner, and you can as well add a text form box. So that's a bit of a different thing as well, kind of similar, but you can also type text in, but through a different feature. So as you can see, we even have like more ways we can add text to the PDF and write on the top of it. So that's how you can basically do this. Of course, once you're done, you can click on share and send it over email or export it somewhere else. But this is by far the easiest method of writing or typing on the top of PDF documents, because it doesn't require any third-party app or anything to download. So I hope that I was able to show you how it works. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.